Hey Birds fans, heading to the Eagles game.
Go Birds!
Woo!
Bird gang, Eagle Nation, come on, Eagles fans, stand up.
Walking to the stadium. Shout out to the Phillies. It is raining, and we're still excited. And we're hoping the Birds get it done today. Let's go.
Yeah, let's get it poppin', let's turn it up. Defense got opposing fans burning up. Eagles green field the stands, time to fly high. Every day, all day, Eagles till I die. No more excuses, time to get it done. And if it do turn bad, we don't never run. I'm on Twitter talking trash, come get some. I call it how I see it, I don't hold my tongue. Watching them Eagles fly, they fly. Yeah, watching them Eagles fly, they fly.
G-L-E-S, Eagles!
Ride for my Eagles, I hate Dallas the most, I don't look at them as people. I look at them like they little cockroaches, stumping all the fans out, the players down to the coaches. And I don't like the Redskin fans either. Beat them down 4 quarters straight, no breather. Grown man.
Let's go Birds! Woo!
Turnpike, headed up the Meadowlands. 50-year conflict, beef never settled in. Get it in, up NY like what's up. Walk through Times Square.